guys, welcome back to Mega High Tech System, and you are on to Learn with Isaac Benson. In this video, we're going to learn how to buy connect on Upwork. If you're a freelancer on Upwork and you don't know how to buy connect, you will learn it on this video. Alright guys, let's dive into the video. Before we go into the video, please, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe. Please press the notification button so that anytime I upload a new video, you will be the first to see. Alright, let's go to the video. Alright, the first thing you need to do is to go to your browser and type Upwork. You can see Upwork there. You click on Upwork and this will take you to the Upwork page. Now if you're not registered, you go up and sign. But this tutorial is for those who are registered and you want to learn how to buy connect. Now what do you log into your account? Log into your account and enter your username, then click continue. This is my account already. My password has been saved. If your password is not saved, then you enter your password and click on login. Now it will take you straight to your account. Now this is my account. Now you want to buy connect, because without connect you can't apply for job. So as a freelancer on Upwork, you need to buy connect because you use connect to apply for jobs. All right, now you want to buy connect, you go to this is your profile, you click on it and you scroll down and you see connect. Then click on connect and you come over to this place where you have buy connect and you click on it. Now you will now select, here we have, or here I have 0 connect, I don't have any connect here. Select the amount to buy. 100 connect for 15. Of course they are going to add tax to it. So if you are buying 100 connect, all you need to do is just go down here. If you have a code, a promo code, you can add it here, but if not, just go down and click buy connect. Now you'll be asked options, your billing method. Already I've included my billing method here through my MasterCard. But if you have not, all you need to do is just click on this add plus button and add your payment method. If you are paying with card, just click that and you're allowed to add your payment method. And when you are done, okay, already my payment method is already here. So when you are done adding your payment method, you go ahead and pay. Let me go back. Right, if I'm buying 100 connect, I just click on buy. My card is already added there, so what I need to do, just go and say buy, and automatically it will charge my account. Okay, we charge my account and this particular amount, $16.13, will be deducted from my account. So guys, that is how to buy connect on Upwork. If you get value from this tutorial, please kindly subscribe to my channel so that anytime I upload a new video, you will get to see it. And also please like and share this video so that others can see it.